I'm Camila.
I am Diego, and we are the co-founders of
MoonMakers. We're an educational non-profit dedicated to make STEAM education accessible, fun, and hands-on for students of all ages. We believe that learning happens best when students are building, tinkering, and creating.
We start MoonMakers with a simple goal to inspire kids and educators to see themselves as creators.
We design tools, resources, and projects that combine science, technology, engineering, art, and math in a way that are approachable and meaningful.
Yes, educational experience for students for all the ages, using methods such as project-based learning and design thinking.
To teach a diverse array of subjects, including artificial intelligence, programming, and digital fabrication, among others.
Collaborate with schools, government, and organizations worldwide to make STEAM education accessible to everyone.
We focus on creating resources that bring project-based learning and design thinking into their classroom, regardless of their resources.
And speaking of hands-on learning, let's talk about Alvik. This is one of our favorite tools for bringing STEAM education to life. So let's talk about it and how it's changing the way students engage with programming and problem solving. One of the biggest challenges in teaching coding is making it real and interactive, and that's exactly where Alvik's come in. For example, with the block-based coding, students can start programming right away without feeling overwhelmed. They can drag and drop blocks and instantly see how their codes control the robot. It's hands-on learning at its best. One of my favorite activities with Alvik is the maze challenge. Picture this, students designing a maze using classroom objects, and their task is to program Alvik to navigate through it. But there's a catch, they cannot just guess. They need to use logic, loops, and conditional statements to make their code efficient. If Alvik gets stuck, they debug, rethink, and adjust it. It turns coding into a game where problem solving and creativity goes hand in hand. Beyond just coding, activities like this help develop critical thinking, teamwork, and resilience, all essential STEAM skills. And the best part, students see their progress in real time, which keep them motivated and engaged. This is just one example of how Alvik makes learning more dynamic and interactive. Whether it's navigating maze, following lines, or responding to sensors, encourage students to think, test, and interact just like real-world engineers and innovators.
Thank you for joining us today and for being part of this amazing community of educators and creators.
Together, we have the power to transform how students learn, helping them to see themselves not just as learning, but as creators, problem solvers, and innovators. Let's keep asking ourselves how we can make learning more exciting, more mindful, and more accessible for every student.
We also love to keep this conversation going beyond today. You can follow us at MoonMakers on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, LinkedIn, where we share free resources, tips, and ideas for educators just like you. If you have questions or want to connect us with directly, feel free to email us.
Let's continue working together to inspire the next generation of creators, innovators, and change makers. Thank you so much for being here, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts, questions, or even your own experience with project-based learning.